bit of a new setup. So we've got the handlebar cam. I think it's alright. Might need to adjust it a bit. Obviously got the helmet cam. Still tweaking everything a bit just to kind of get the right angles. You know, I need to get some probably need to get some different mounts. Yeah, different mounts, and just, you know, for a bit more adjustability to get everything a bit more bang on. It's tweaking, constant tweaking. You can see I've got the camera around my neck as well. So the aim today is to actually, so I've been thinking about doing this for a while. I just wanted to go out on the bike with an actual camera with me, so I can, you know, get some decent shots on the fly. You know, I've always been into photography, but the idea is basically to zip about on the bike. If I see a shot, I'll take it. Maybe later I'll chuck it into Lightroom, give it an edit. I've got the camera set up for RAW and JPEG, so, you know, if it looks alright in JPEG, I'll keep it to that. I'm still tweaking those settings as well. I've had this camera here for like 2 years now, and I still don't really know what I'm doing. But occasionally you get an absolute banger of a shot. Days like this are going to be a bit more rare now coming into winter, so we've got to take every opportunity we get. Tempting fate with this his lack of petrol. 26 miles. How true is it? I don't know. Alright, so let's talk camera settings. So I'm using a Sony A6400 body. I've got a Sigma 56mm lens on it. So the A6400 is a APS-C setup, which is perfectly ideal for something like this because it's a lightweight body. It's pretty minimal. You compare this to the likes of like the full frame A7300 and all that. It's such a lightweight body in comparison, and for these kind of things it's absolutely perfect. The Sigma 56mm lens is fantastic as well. It's a really great combination for these bodies. The whole Sigma range is pretty decent. So it goes down to 1.4 aperture. Great for low light. Today I've got a bit of a homemade filter on this lens. It's an ND filter, but I keep seeing people posting these shots. They're like bloom effects. You can buy a filter which is, I think it's called a black mist or something along those lines. I think K&F make them, and you get these like dreamy effects, like cinematic dreamy, and all the highlights are quite I don't know how you'd explain it really. They just, I don't know, it's just the way the shots look, it's just stunning. And I've been trying to get that look, and it turns out if you just, there's a bit of a trick amongst photographers where you spray a bit of hairspray, like mist it over the, well in my case the ND filter, and you get a similar effect, obviously for nothing. So I'm trying that out. I think I might have overdone it with the hairspray, and so it looks way overkill now, but I'm going to see how it comes out. You can get very similar effects if you get some plugins, and you can, you know, do it in Lightroom or DaVinci Resolve if you're doing some videos, but they can be quite expensive. So let's try the free option first. But the sun's out, so it's a great time to get some shots. This might be cool. I can get the bike a bit more level just by kicking it up on the curb. I don't even know if I can bloop. Oh, jeez. I'm not even sure if I can focus with this. These ain't looking good. Okay, that'll do. That'll do. Alright, so the bloom lens don't work. Where to go? See, I can't even use it as an ND filter now because obviously it's covered in hairspray. This will do nicely. Come on. Alright. Thank you. On to the next spot. No idea if any of that's any good, but we'll find out. Might take 1,000 shots and only get 2 good ones. Bless him. Should get petrol, but we tempt fate. Nice. I want to go back there. Windy! Yes, come on. This is the one. Oh, look at it. I don't know if I've got everything where I need it to be, but yeah. This is cool. This is what I wanted to do for years, man. Maybe I'll nip round, pull it down there a bit more. Okay, that'll do, I think. Oh. Hi mate, you alright? Oh, lovely, good taste. Really nice bike. Yeah, beautiful, aren't they? I've only had it for a few months now, but I love it. Yeah. It's a sprint, and that one was just nuts on wheels. Yeah, a bit more chilled out, isn't it? Yeah, I had a Trident before this, which was a bit sportier, I guess, but I just prefer this. The aesthetics and the whole ride is just. You've got the back jacked up a bit. Mine's a bit lower. Yeah, it's had a few things done to it, shorter seat and just exhaust and stuff. But yeah, you can't beat Triumph quality, can you? You can't. No, lovely. Triumph Owners Club. Yeah. It's only 30 quid a Yeah.
They meet up at Stanbridge.
Okay.
Shepherd,
Yeah. Okay.
every once a month, and then they also meet up at somewhere Hatfield, Peveril Way.
Yeah.
Quite a few little rides out and what have you.
Yeah.
It's a nice little community.
Yeah. I'd have to check that out. That'd be cool. See some other nice bikes.
That's it.
Yeah. That's the joy of it, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, mate. Enjoy your walk anyway. Take care. See ya. Let's get down here a bit more. If I get that too far, I ain't getting out, am I? Let's be honest. This will be fun. Make for good content, I'm sure. And that's the other cool thing. People that are into bikes, if they've got one and they see you out on it, they're going to talk to you, which is awesome. I'm not sure if you can see this on the actual helmet cam itself. These are things that I need to adjust if it comes to it. Well, an absolutely stunning bike there. Alright, I think we go to the next spot, wherever that may be. Probably should be the petrol station. Let's see if I can get out of this ramp. And down we go. So you're riding up and down aimlessly, it's, you know, it gets boring pretty quick, but if you're actually riding with an aim, which is in my case to get a picture, get the shot, then I think it changes the whole dynamic. There is one more shot I want to get actually. As you can see, there's a lot of graffiti up around here at the minute. I've had some artists in this once a year, they do a thing called I think it's the South End Jam, where you get graffiti artists coming from, I believe, all over the world. And they do these amazing projects. And yeah, there's one up this hill, which I have been up before on my previous bike. And I was like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, right, I've got to get a picture of my bike next to this. But I've not done it with this one. So today we're going to tick that box. There it is. Let's try and get something with it. Something. Oh, this is going to be hard. I need some cars to get out of the way. So if I park right in front of it, I'm not going to get a great shot. It's just the bike will look lost in front of it, which is what happened before. Maybe I can angle it here. Get something. Let's try this. Got an idea. Might have to go portrait for this. Yeah, not the right lens, is it? Let's be honest. I feel I'll have to come back here when it's a bit quieter. That's cool though. I'll try that instead. It's not great. Here's a shot, actually. It's pretty cool down here. I might get mugged, but we'll find out. Come on. This is cool. There's loads of good art down here as well. Look at all this, just hidden away. This is all to do with that south end jam as well. Right, here. If I be quick, it's going to block the road, but it's okay. It's going to be a bit of a silhouette shot. We can do this. Please don't tip. Keep running. Okay, good. Go on. Yeah, not good. Let's go. Sounds amazing down here. I really hope I get some good shots out of this. I think I will. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's the first time I've done this style of ride. So the camera with the bike, I've actually really enjoyed it. I normally take the camera for walks with me, so you know, to be able to do it on the bike as well is an absolute dream. Anyway, see you in the next one.